Bella the parrot ruffled her feathers, intrigued by an unfamiliar sound echoing from the hallway. It was a doorbell, chime-like and pleasant, inviting curiosity. With her head cocked, she began her hilarious attempts to mimic the sound. Her first try came out as a high-pitched squawk, swirling into giggles from onlookers. Determined, she puffed up again, producing a sequence of amusingly dissonant doorbell impersonations, each try as charmingly offbeat as the last. Bella's animated missteps and vibrant personality ended up providing endless laughter, ensuring her adorable antics captivated every viewer's heart.